Namaskar, I am Dipali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Pali, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. I am happy to share with you that the Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies at Savitribai Phule, Pune University is offering a 1-year higher diploma course in Pali. It is a special course because it provides advanced training to students who are interested in ancient Indian languages, philosophy, history, religion and culture. So, why this course is important? Because the Pali literature is a very vast literature, and in that literature you will find authentic materials for the understanding of ancient Indian history, geography, socio-political conditions, philosophical religious thoughts. So, this course will provide you a key to unlock this storehouse of our great Indian culture. That's why this course is very important for learning a Pali language and literature. And the classes will take place for this course is both offline and online mode to make it convenient for students during this COVID pandemic situation. And the medium of this course will be in English and Marathi, and the eligibility criteria of this course is HSC or equivalent examination of any recognized board with Pali, Prakrit, Sanskrit and Buddhist studies as one of the subject. And the fee structure of this course is for candidates domicile in Maharashtra is 4,530 and for out of Maharashtra 8,430. For more details about the course, please visit to our department website. And the admissions nowadays the admissions are open, and the last date of the admission is 10th of July with late fees. Thank you.